We need people with the necessary skills globally to contribute to the many challenges that the world are facing.
It is a program that very much covers the breadth of disciplines that are involved in public health. The diversity of the students that we have in our MPH is one of the most rich aspects of our program.
Government-sponsored students are people that normally work for the government sector in their countries, and through their governments are sponsored to come to Australia and further their studies and enrich their skills so they can go back to their countries and contribute to the priority areas.
UQ has offered me a lot of experiences, a lot of opportunities to develop myself, either it's in professional or academic skills. The lectures not only cover theoretical stuff, but also it covers a lot of practical things that I can apply in my career ahead.
I came to Australia because I'm an Australian Award recipient, and the reason I applied for Master of Public Health because I have been working in health sector for more than 6 years.
I've been involved in several student activities. I got to be able to join clubs and societies. I got to be able to do voluntary in UQ.
I really worry because, oh my God, maybe it will be difficult. But then when you come to Australia, the uni, especially in UQ, they have really good support. They have really good equipment, the professor, the lecturer is really professional.
UQ MPH is well sought after across the globe because of the reputation that our program has. We are ranked 2nd in Asia Pacific and 27th globally.
Before I finished my study in UQ, because I found there is a job vacancy in my country and I applied a job, actually applied 3 and I got all 3.
I want to work in the health sector and I want to make a better future for my community through all that I've learned in Master of Public Health.